guys, it's Brett Burns, the Prepared Man. I'm out here in the gear tonight looking at a new package I received, the Balsang B6 Bi-Directional Shotgun Mic. Now, I received this in the mail. I received two review copies, the white version and the black version. It's a nice little micro format shotgun mic. It fits great into my pack. I'm ready to take it into the field. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, off and on. And I thought we would look at what you get in the box as far as contents when you buy the Balsang B6 mic. Now, it's currently on Kickstarter. It has completed on Kickstarter, and it's available on Indiegogo. So here is the Balsang B6 itself. It's in a nice simple box, branding right up front. We've got a guide on the back that we're going to talk about briefly. There are 5 different capture modes, which is your traditional forward mode. It just shoots like a traditional shotgun mic. It has backward mode for all those vloggers out there who are filming in behind their camera. So if I'm pointing my camera and I'm talking in the rear, it also allows me to do that. It has bi-directional mode, so it can record both. And ASMR mode, which is handy. It's a really hot topic right now, especially on all the social media outlets. The idea of doing ASMR mode and recording all those little sound effects and those little minute details that really make a video pop. And 360-degree mode or peripheral mic mode that we use quite a bit in the field, especially when we're setting up gear in a camp or something like that. Inside, they keep it super simple. I've got the microphone itself. It has a couple of switches on the back that controls the front and rear microphones. It has active noise cancellation versus ASMR here, and the input. Inside, they were sent 3 cables. There's only 3. There's the phone cable, so this is to connect to the phone, and it's TRRS, I believe that cord is, and then an auxiliary mix cable as well, which is TRS, and something I really thought was handy, an extension cord, so I can actually run that shotgun mic all the way over here if I needed to, and record my audio away from my camera. So I thought that was great as well. It'll eliminate things like echo, and I just really appreciated that. Now inside, they talk to you about the cabling diagram and the different types of connections based on what you want to do with the microphone. And I found that cool that you could record each microphone to left or right, so you can record it as mono inputs, or you can send them over to the mix and stereo inputs depending on which cable you use. Now, I've been running this with the stereo inputs with the TRS to the TRRS, just like that. You plug the phone cable in, plug this into your device. I'm using the Osmo Pocket series. It records beautifully crisp video and audio rather, and you're going to see that in some of our future videos. It's been a great little microphone, great addition to our kit. I've got the Rode Video Micro, or I've had it in the past. I won't be adding that back into my kit. I won't be looking at any of their competitors. The Balsang B6 does everything I need it to do and more. What a great little piece of kit, guys. I'm Brett Burns with The Prepared Man. This has just been a quick unboxing of the Balsang B6. Go out and grab one on Indiegogo or on Kickstarter now. Just search for Balsang, B-A-L-S-A-N-G, or look for them on Amazon coming soon, similar to how we found the BSM 200, or 2000 rather, the wireless microphone, the lavalier set that we use. So guys, I'm Brett Burns, the Prepared Man. Thanks for sticking around and checking out our new kit. Come back soon, we'll have more great content for you.